Right now it is given natural. Hi beauties, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Khadija, and on this channel we talk about all things beauty, hair, and lifestyle. If you're interested, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become a part of the Slayer family. In today's video, we will be installing and styling a unit from Unice here, and this is their packaging. I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys what I received in my package. I received a robe. And we also received this goodie bag with a lot of different stuff in it, and a wig cap. And this is a wig for today. This unit is a 24-inch curly V-part wig, and this has a density of 150%. This is it. This wig is coming straight out the box. I didn't wash it. I didn't do anything to it. This is it straight out the box. The link for this unit will be down in my description, so go ahead and click that link and make your purchase. If you want to get any other products from Unice here, their website will also be in my description, so go ahead and make your purchase. This is our wig for today. So I'm just gonna go ahead and jump right into the install. So for this unit, you need no wig caps, no experience, no bald caps, no glue. All you need is basically just a wig. It's really that simple. All you need is the wig, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to install and style this V-part unit. So if you're interested, go ahead and click that subscribe button and let's jump right into the video. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take out my leave out section, and then we install our wig. This is our section. I just took a little piece out because the whole point of the V part is to make it look as natural as possible. So I took a little bit out for my leave out, but this is it. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and install my wig. So the V part wig is pretty easy to maneuver. It comes with the clips. All you need to do is to pop them open. So my clips are open right now, and this is it. But when I want to close them, I just pop it closed. It's that simple. So it comes with the clips in the front, and it came with the combs in the side and the back, and basically that's it. It's pretty simple and easy to install. So I'm just gonna go ahead and install my unit. So I'm gonna apply this comb in the back first, because I always forget that one. So pop that closed, then we do the ones in the side. Pop these in. You want to put it as close to the part as possible. Pop this open. Okay, this actually looks pretty natural, because it comes with like a lace covering over it. Makes it looks even more natural. So this is it. This is what it's looking like. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish this up. So this is it. Basically, we're finished installing a wig. This is it. This unit is 150% density. and this is a 24-inch unit. Let me show you guys the back. I must say this wig is like pretty remarkable right now. You could legit wear it like this. Like, it's not tangly, it's not frizzy, it has a lot of volume, and we just took it straight out the box. Like, no products has been added, nothing has been done to it, and it is super cute. We could legit wear it like this. It's a quick grab and go wig for any occasion. Like, you could legit just take it out the box and wear it to wherever you want to wear it to. Like, it is that good. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up my wig. So as y'all know, my hair is straight and this wig is a curly wig. So I'm about to apply some Cream of Nature mousse to my hair to try and see if we can get it curled, because my hair is given stiff and straight right now. So I'm gonna try to apply some Cream of Nature mousse and see if we can get our hair curly. So let's do that. Right now it is given natural, super natural. This is the vibes. All right guys, so this is it. I ended up adding some water along with my Cream of Nature mousse, and this is the vibes. It is given super sleek, super shiny, and the curls are doing what they're supposed to do. How natural the roots look. I love how around the hairline looks super natural. So if you want to pull it back like this and wear it, you can go ahead and do that, because it's not showing the cap of the wig. It's given like a super natural vibe. Given super sleek, and I love it. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys some styles you can wear with your V-part wig. But if you're a center person and this style is for you, this style is super cute. You guys can go ahead and wear it if you want to wear it. If this is you, then this is you. But I'm gonna show you guys some other styles that you can wear with your wig. So this is the first style. You can wear it just like this. It looks super sleek, super cute. Just a bust down center part. Like, yeah, you cannot ask for more. It is super cute, super simple, and this is it. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys some other styles that you can wear with your wig. Okay guys, so this wraps up today's video. Today's wig was sponsored by Unice here, And this unit is their curly V-part wig. It is a 24-inch unit with a density of 150%. If you want to get this wig, the link will be in my description for purchase, so go ahead and click that link and make your purchase. This is the end of today's video. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become a part of the Slayer family. And until next time, I'll see you guys in another video.